Discover the science behind cold therapy and ice baths, and how they can reduce muscle soreness, boost recovery, and improve circulation. You've probably heard about athletes, wellness enthusiasts, and even celebrities talking about the benefits of cold therapy. But what exactly are ice baths and cold therapy, and why are they gaining so much popularity? Let me tell you first, what is cold therapy? Cold therapy is called cryotherapy. It is the practice of using low temperatures to promote healing and recovery. It's been around for centuries, but recently it's gained traction in fitness and health circles due to its ability to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and promote muscle recovery. Now, you will be thinking that how ice baths work. So how do ice baths work? When you immerse yourself in cold water, your blood vessels constrict, which helps reduce swelling and inflammation. As your body warms up afterward, blood flow improves, delivering fresh oxygen to your muscles. Let's move on to the key benefits of ice baths and cold therapy. Ice baths can offer a range of benefits, including: Number 1. Reduced muscle soreness. Cold therapy helps alleviate delayed onset muscle soreness, shortly as DOMS, after intense workouts. Number 2. Improved circulation. The constriction and expansion of blood vessels promote healthier blood flow. Number 3. Boosts immune function. Some studies suggest that cold exposure can improve your body's ability to fight illness. Number 4. Enhanced mood and energy levels. Cold exposure has been shown to release endorphins, giving you a burst of energy and positivity. Ice baths versus whole-body cryotherapy. You may be wondering, what's the difference between ice baths and whole-body cryotherapy? Right? While ice baths involve immersing your body in freezing water. On the other hand, whole-body cryotherapy exposes you to extremely cold air for a few minutes. Both have similar benefits, but cryotherapy is often quicker and more targeted for those on the go. How to safely use ice baths. If you're new to ice baths, it's important to follow these safety tips. Number 1. Start slow. Begin with shorter sessions and colder temperatures to allow your body to adjust. Number 2. Limit time. Don't stay in for longer than 10 to 15 minutes. Number 3. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or extremely uncomfortable, stop immediately. Number 4. Consult a doctor. Especially if you have heart conditions or other health issues, make sure to consult your doctor. Who can benefit from cold therapy? While athletes are often the ones we associate with cold therapy, anyone can benefit from ice baths. From fitness enthusiasts to people dealing with chronic pain, cold therapy offers something for everyone. And there you have it, the science and benefits behind cold therapy and ice baths. Are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried cold therapy before and how it worked for you.